Demystifying testing, QC, and QA. They're not the same. Many believe testing and QA mean the same. However, testing is just a part of quality control, QC. QC and QA represent different strategies in ensuring product quality. Quality control, QC product-oriented focus. QC involves activities aimed at achieving proper product quality levels. Detect defects and fix them after product creation. Reactive addresses problems that already exist. Inspecting finished products to find defects. Testing, a core component of quality control. Key QC activity that systematically verifies product quality. From of testing, unit, integration, system, user acceptance, performance, security. Confirm product functions as expected. Testing evaluates a product to spot defects or verify requirements. Other quality control methods. Mathematical models prove software correctness. Testing system models against specifications. Running software in controlled, virtual environments. Testing early product versions for feasibility. Quality assurance, QA process-oriented focus. Implementing coding standards and design reviews. Proactive, enhances development processes continuously. Prevent defects before they occur. QA establishes and evaluates processes generating products. QC versus QA, key differences. QC, product-focused, reactive, find and fix defects. QA, process-focused, proactive, prevent defects up front. QC is spell checking. QA is learning to write well. QC ensures product standards. QA ensures process effectiveness. Benefits of QA and QC. QA reduces the number of product flaws. QC ensures reliable, high-quality products. Good processes build trust in your brand. Fewer defects cut rework and expenses. The quality landscape. Testing is part of QC. Focuses on identifying and fixing product defects. QA prevents defects. Improves processes to reduce future issues. Effective software quality depends on QC and QA together.